I'm Craig. We had you guys come out today. My wife found you on Facebook, communicated via Messenger, I believe. And I know you guys are in Los Angeles. You came all the way out here to Palm Springs, which we appreciate that. What you see behind me was a concrete block wall that we weren't sure what else to do with. We were probably going to paint, which we weren't even sure was going to look good. And we're really very pleasantly pleased at how this turned out. It adds a nice accent wall to the whole yard, and it makes something out of nothing, I'll say. So if you're thinking of doing something like this to a wall you're not sure what to do with, to me this is the perfect solution.